Hi everyone, my name is Alina and welcome to my channel. I received a lot of comments on my TikTok on how to attach flowers to the stem, and I made a short video to show you how I make it. For the most realistic stems I use flexible pipe. It's not usual PVC, size 16 for small blooms and size 20 for big flowers. It's my favorite material for stems because it can easily bend to needed form like real flower and holds blooms perfectly. I have two options for attaching flowers, and here is my favorite peony. For a flower base I used smaller diameter pipe and then decorated it with green paper of the same color like a stem. And here is closer look how I attach my peony to the stem. And a second option how I attach my flowers. Look how easily it could be taken off the stem and installed back. This option is very comfortable. Everything depends on what flower base you used. Now my favorite part. Look how easily you can swap flowers, big and small blooms. This pretty little rose bloom is my favorite one. I love to make them as realistic as it's possible, so even buds are with little realistic green leaves. All the secrets how to make such blooms I teach in my online classes. And I have an update. It's a daisy from my latest classes. Now I will show you one more time the most secret thing that no master will show you how the flower looks from behind. But I want to teach you and show all the even little details because they are very important. I put all the wires from the petals together and then hide it in thin tube, and this way easily attach daisy to the stem. I love to bend stems after flower is installed to create unique curves which are not possible with basic PVC. Here is how back side of giant daisy looks. And a closer look how to install it to the stem. This one more step with the stem and daisy is ready for the event. But let me show you one more cool thing. It's a giant floral onion or bulb, how do you call this? It's just perfect for such giant flower set. And here is little blooms from peonies bushes. Don't forget to subscribe because I constantly share tutorials on how to make giant flowers. If you want a tutorial for these ones, you know what to do. Just like and comment, and this way I will know that it's something you're interested in. And a closer look to rose which already started to bloom. In the next video I will show you how to make the stem with leaves, just like these stems you see now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to make all these beauties together with me. Let's make flowers!